on the second day of INDIAWOOD and we are sharing the happy occasion with Mr. Holger Scherrenbacher. He is the head of sales, wood and head of technology center of KLEIBERIT. A very good afternoon, Mr. Holger.
Thank you very much. Hello.
Hi. So, are you excited participating at INDIAWOOD this time?
Yes, of course. I'm very much excited to be here. Actually, for me, this is the second time to be on an INDIAWOOD show after the Bangalore show.
Okay. So, can you please tell us, are there any different demands in different regions worldwide, especially in India, and how important is the Indian market for KLEIBERIT?
The Indian market for KLEIBERIT is becoming more and more important, as we believe that this is one of the biggest markets in the nearby future, also for KLEIBERIT, and especially for the products we are very strong in, the PR hot melts. So the demands in different countries or different markets, of course, they are different. For some applications, such like micro-emission or bio-based raw materials, in countries there are obligations. You have to do this. For India, let's say the official demands are not by the authorities, it's more or less by the people working and trying to enter the market.
KLEIBERIT is one of the worldwide leading producers of adhesives and glues based on polyurethane. So what are the most important advantages for the customers regarding using bio-based raw materials and ME, the famous micro-emission PUR hot melts of KLEIBERIT?
Coming first to the micro-emission technology, you see on the back side you have flat lamination, profile wrapping and edgebanding. This can be done with micro-emission technology, and the micro-emission technology is more for the occupational safety, that the laborers operating these products can handle it like a normal thermoplastic hot melt based on EVA or polyurethane. So from the protective systems, especially the dust extraction or the fume extraction, there's nothing special to add, as those want exhaust fumes. They do not exhaust more than polyurethane or EVA adhesives do. So this is more in the direction to occupational safety. Micro-emission. Bio-based, this is more for the protecting the environment. And all these adhesives, what you see, or applications you see on the background, they can be done in a regular technology, and they can done in a bio-based technology. That means that we use bio-based raw materials to produce these adhesives, what you can see for the applications on the back side. Bio-based. Bio-based can be done out from planted materials, and can be done from post-consumer goods. So post-consumer goods, for example, this is what you know from plastic bottles for soft drinks, and this is we can redo, we make a reuse out of them, so it has not to be thrown away. We can redo and break down the chemical raw materials, what we use in adhesives, so there is no need anymore to use petrochemical raw materials. This is also a part of the bio-based, and so we have two options. We have the options to make this from planted raw materials or from post-consumer good materials.
Alternative products like bio-based types, ME types have the same performances in quality, prices and applications as the standard products.
Okay, the performance of the micro-emission or bio-based or micro-emission and bio-based at once, there is no difference in performance. They're 100% the same. In terms of pricing, you ask also pricing, or so the pricing for this micro-emission technology is a little bit higher than for the regular material. As to make micro-emission, there is a second process step required to minimize the monomeric isocyanate.